Imagine this, from months from today, you're a front-end developer with real projects and real job offers. Sounds crazy? It's not. Let me show you how. Month 1 is all about your core superpowers, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Learn how websites are built, practice layouts, and build simple pages every single day. Small steps create big momentum. In month 2, you level up. You learn Git, GitHub, and responsive design. This is where your confidence really kicks in. Month 3 is your breakthrough. Pick one framework: React, Vue, or Angular, and build 3 real projects. Show the world you can build functional products. Month 4, it's time to shine. Polish your portfolio, clean up your GitHub, and apply for jobs every single day. Junior roles, internships, everything. Show your progress. Companies love developers who grow. No degree needed, no perfect English needed. Just consistency, real projects, and the courage to start. Your future self will thank you.